of Kebbi State Nasir Idris of the All Progressives Congress. Justice Kekere also announced, after lawyers to parties made their final submissions, that judgment was reserved and parties will be notified when it is ready for delivery. Meanwhile, a mammoth crowd trooped out to the street to welcome Governor of Zamfara State Dauda Lawal after Friday's judgment of the Supreme Court, which affirmed his victory. Our correspondent Theophilus Darufai has more details in this report.
Supporters and well-wishers of Governor Dauda Lawal trooped out to the streets in Kwatarikwashi town along Gusau Funtua Road to receive the governor following his victory at the Supreme Court last Friday. The Supreme Court upheld Lawal's election victory, having set aside the verdict of the Court of Appeal, which ordered for a rerun election in 3 local councils made of Maradun, Bukuyum, and Birnin Magaji. Mr. Lawal and his entourage came to the state through Katsina and Kaduna states rather than taking a flight through Sokoto. This is to show his appreciation to Zamfara residents for believing in him. As soon as the governor arrived at Kwatarikwashi town, the crowd of supporters burst into wild jubilation as the governor acknowledged their cheers. Governor Dauda Lawal, while addressing the crowd, thanked them for the show of love and assured of his readiness to rescue the state and end insecurity, among other things.
Let me assure you that based on the promises we made during the campaign, the security in Zamfara is of paramount importance. Zamfara, as it is today, is one of the most backward in the area of education. In fact, it's at the bottom, just like the letter Z. And this is something that will be given priority as we always promise. We are also working on infrastructure. You can see the urban renewal. You have started seeing the new development in Gusau town and some few local governments.
He described his victory at the Apex Court as a win for all and a morale booster in delivering the dividends of democracy to the people.
Let me thank the judiciary because they brought hope. We know there is hope in this country by ensuring justice has taken its course in spite of all the challenges. I also want to thank the federal government for not interfering into the judicial system and allow them to do justice.
Governor Dauda Lawal was among the governors whom the Supreme Court affirmed their victory at the governorship poll. Theophilus Darufai, TVC News, Gusau.
And staying in the nation's capital, the FCT Public Complaints Commissioner Dalatu Ezekiel has called for a state of emergency in the state of security in the FCT. At a news briefing in Abuja, the Complaints Commission says it received several reports of threat to lives and properties in Abuja. Our correspondent Dauda Lawal has more details on